Okay, students, we're still on lesson 5, but now I am on page 18, and I'm introducing quarter notes to you. Okay, a quarter note gets one count, one beat. So it's shorter than the half note and the whole note. The whole note gets 4, the half note gets 2, the quarter note gets 1. If you look at the top of the page, you will see these drawn in. There are 4 quarter notes at the top of the page. Okay, followed by the next measure of 4 quarter rests. Those are what rests look like. So I'm going to play this right now with my metronome so you can hear the tempo going by and hear how quarter notes go. So I'm going to choose, you can choose any of your notes if you want to practice this, but just take a listen, okay? And here's my metronome, and I'm going to play the very top of the page on the quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let me do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do it one more time. I like you to do this. I do this in my classes. I'd like you to touch the note and the rest as I play it. So as I play it, you touch the book, touch the notes. Ready? Here we go. It's your turn just to touch them. 1 and the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. That helps keep your eyes focused on the page when you do that. I do that a lot with my students in class. Okay, so we are going to go to number 1. I'm just going to play a couple of these exercises, and you can do these on your own. I'm going to play number 1, playing the 2 half notes. If you look at number 1, it starts with 2 half notes, and then 3 quarter notes and a rest in the next measure. So just listen to it and hear how it sounds. I'm going to play it 2 times because there's a repeat sign. So listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. And if you notice, I marked underneath that exercise, it says all in one breath. You can take a breath at the end of the measure when you repeat, but try to do it all along. Da, 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 rest. Okay, just like that. Okay, all right, here's number 2. Okay, actually, why don't you play number 1 with me? Let's go to do number 1 together. Ready? Here we go. Let's play it together. Here we go. Number 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. Turn your book over or turn the page, and you'll see that on page 19 has the same exercises as page 18, but without the helpers. It doesn't have the note names written, and it doesn't have the fingerings. So you need to practice page 18 and then try it and like do number 1 a few times and then flip your book over or turn the page and try number 1 on page 19 and see if you can do it. If you do this and practice this, you will get this in no time. You will start to memorize the notes. But you have to do the work and use the brain power and process this and practice it. That's why we practice. And then it's going to become easy. So practice this during the week and try this. Let's do one more. Number 2. Ready? Here's number 2. I'll play it first so you can hear it, and I'll repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. And if you look at number 2, I think in most of the books I put a breath mark. It says breath mark on that rest. That's a reminder to take a breath and then continue on and play on the repeat. Okay? All right, your turn. Here we go. Number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. So hopefully that helps you in all of these exercises. You can sort of hear how that goes. Now it's your turn to work on the hard stuff. And I'll have an example. I will also do a video here in lesson 5 on hot cross buns, and Eau Claire de la Lune will be the last video of lesson 5, which will show you how to put that together. Okay, so please go and practice this and work on it, and it should start to become second nature, just like riding a bike. Once you start to see these notes, you should start recognizing them. Okay, great. Thanks.